Hi everyone, welcome back to another I-84 Corridor Monthly Update. I'm Matt Kreizenbeck, the Community Outreach Coordinator for District 3 of the Idaho Transportation Department. Stiles unfortunately can't join this month, but rest assured he'll be back next month. I will be filling in to share what's been happening along the I-84 corridor. We are standing on the pedestrian bridge over I-84, right between the Centennial Way and Franklin Road interchanges. There's been a lot of progress this month, and crews are finishing up work on the pedestrian bridge right here. It is expected to open for pedestrian access in November. They are also paving Hannibal Street, which will open ahead of schedule to one lane in each direction. In the middle of I-84, crews are continuing to build the new median wall and install underground pipes. Let's head over to the Karcher Interchange in Nampa and take a look at what's happening there. We are here at the Karcher Interchange, where crews have been making great progress as well. This month, crews are building pedestrian ramps along Caldwell Boulevard, finishing work on the light poles and placing concrete for the bridge deck and side barriers on the Indian Creek Bridge along State Highway 55. At the westbound off-ramp, crews are placing concrete and preparing to pave the free running right turn lane onto Karcher Road. Next month, drivers can expect to see paving on the westbound off-ramp, more work on the bridge deck, and new sidewalks going in near Karcher Street on the south side of State Highway 55. We are working really hard to wrap up the project and bring all these final pieces together. Last month, we had several people ask us on Facebook, why does it take so long to finish projects? To keep traffic moving at all hours of the day, ITD has to build the project in phases. For example, the Centennial Way to Franklin Road project has 5 main phases and several sub-phases, all designed to keep the interstate open while crews work safely. If we could completely close the interstate, the project would take about half the time. But keeping traffic moving and the interstate open as much as possible is always our top priority. The good news is our contractor is on schedule and we are making steady progress every week. As we close out this month's update, I want to end with a quick safety reminder. Please drive carefully at night, especially with kids out trick-or-treating soon. Slow down, stay alert, put the phone down, and watch for pedestrians around neighborhoods and crosswalks. That's all for this month's update. Sign up for email or text alerts using the information on your screen. And as always, we want to hear from you. Email us any questions you have about projects along the I-84 corridor in Caldwell and Nampa. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you next month for another I-84 Corridor Monthly Update.